Hello, I am Eric Daniel Perez. I am 20 years old, born and raised in Orlando. I have always been a good student as well as an athlete. I played baseball throughout high school and trained like crazy. By my senior year, I was in so much pain, all of which couldn't be resolved by athletic trainers, physical therapists, sports medical doctors, all of this leading to the demise of my baseball career. This made me eager to figure out how I could help myself and what I could do to help others going through their own struggles. So now what I do is study the human body. Everything I can learn to optimize human functionality, I want to learn it. I am the first in my family to go to college, and now I am currently enrolled at Sarasota School of Massage Therapy. While I am in massage school, I study and train the system of functional patterns by Naudi Aguilar. I find it amazing to see results of people that once couldn't walk or stand up alone do exactly that. A lot of the systems training is built around the principles of anatomy trains and how we can manipulate the myofascia of the body to implement ranges of motion, gain tensegrity, and optimize the functionality of our biomechanics. I would love the opportunity to go through this program to explore and better understand the fascial system to optimize my effectiveness as a body worker early in the developing stages of my career. I believe you should award me this scholarship because I have a burning desire in my heart and soul to help give people that don't have the ability to walk or stand up straight on their own the ability to do so. I have always paid for my schooling by working hard and busting my butt in jobs that I have no passion for. Now I'm striving for success in the health and wellness industry by gaining all the knowledge I can to return to Orlando and help my father and my mother with their problems while being a good therapist to others and helping optimize human functionality. My father is my main drive. He worked his whole life in the field of journalism as a videographer, lugging around a huge camera on his shoulder for about 30 years, and at the end of his career paid for it with nerve damage, leaving his hands almost useless. Now he is 62 years old with diabetes, kidney failure, neuropathy, 2 hip replacements, dialysis 3 times a week, and many other health issues. My mother, for the longest, has taken care of him and works throughout the week. She has no life other than work and aiding my father. They can barely afford the medication and specialists needed that aren't even giving my father what he truly wants, which is the ability to stand up and walk independently. So that is why I want this opportunity to give people the treatment I truly wish I could have gotten or at least seen my father get. Thank you very much.